Hello trader, my name is Paul and you are on my YouTube channel for binary options trading. Here you will find the most private and profitable trading strategies for yourself. Friends, I hasten to inform you that you can find all private information in my Telegram group. You will find the link in the description under this video. Free access is valid for a limited time, so follow the link faster and register. Don't forget join my Telegram group with free signal. When topping up your account, use my promo code and you will receive an additional 50% bonus to your deposit. Subscribe, like and write the comment, it motivated me a lot. Well, now let's start our trading session. Thank you for picking this video. I promise I'm not gonna let you down. I promise. Hope that you will learn something new from my trading and probably highlight some trading features. And guys, let's finally start. We're gonna open $500 trades. Let's set the currency pairs right away that have the highest period. I'm gonna open positions according to the trend direction, and consequently we'll select the trend indicators. It's gonna be the Alligator. By using this indicator, it's really handy to open position according to the trend, not when it's flat. And now I'm gonna show and explain to the explain of opening. Let's see if there's dynamics of the currency pairs. It will be better, so less flat situations. So already see a good sharp movement on the charts, and I guess we will keep this currency pair, so we're not gonna drag this out and find the most promising trade entry. Find the best currency pair for us. So I guess we need to open a short position here. I will explain the principle of trade entry. We're gonna open position considering the pullbacks. Early on we have the ascending directions here, then the resistance zone played out, the price started going down, and now we take a look at this zone in more detail. We see that all indicators moving averages are facing downwards. Also the support zone played out, and in the first case we see the little corrections, after which with the price goes down, and in the second one we see the small correction or pullback, and then the price movement should go down following the downtrend. That's why we open it the short position here. I think we will see the breakdown right there at the end, and the position will be closed with a profit. Yeah guys, and the first one is profits, guys. Like I said, good trade entry, good timing. We played out on the pullback. Basically this trade entry is successful, and I hope of the future trades are gonna be the same. We're not gonna slow down here and find the next currency pair for the most promising trade entry. We're looking for the good payout percent. And I guess we also open a short position here, selecting the workspace. Definitely good dynamics on the market. We see the indicators JEVs are opened, and the price movement goes down to the downside. Then we take a look at the following zone with small correction here, and after this correction the price should continue moving down following the downtrend. Again, we're choosing the pullback moment. The correction is over, that's why we open a short position. We already see the candle breaking down, and the good timing of trade opening. The resistance zone played out, and I think the moment should also be the downside. There we have 10 seconds left before the closing, and our trade ends. I hope trade up and profits. Yeah, like I said, trade end up in profits. So, and like I said, our position ended up with 0, but it's okay. We saw strong dynamics from the last candle, and we end up with the zero, but it's fine. Sometimes it happen, and this trading, and we cannot escape losses the time, but in our case we didn't lose anything, and there's no stopping here. Let's move on and find the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. Let's open the long position here. We see strong ascending dynamics here. We select the workspace. All the moving ranges of the indicators are facing upward. The alligator jaws is widely opened. After this correction, we have the strong ascending dynamics. Despite candles low volatility, we see the good movement. That's why right after the pullback we opened the long position according to the uptrend. While using this indicator, keep in mind you should always open position according to the trend, because the alligator is a trend indicator. Keep this in mind and never forget. Good level of our position. There's literally several seconds left before the trade enter, and our position has been closed with a profit. Another 100% signal played out perfectly. I think you already understood the principle of work with the strategy. This strategy is not really complicated. Having beginners in trading can easily handle it. And we're not gonna slow down here and select the next currency pair. So let's continue our trading and open short position here. I will explain the principle of trade entry. Note that we open considering the trend. Here the sideways movement prevails. We see the flat, but it's okay. Basically we observe the downtrend. Here we see a little flat here. I assume that this is some kind of a correction here and accumulation stage, and eventually the breakdown should happen, because previously we saw the correction from the green candle, and I think the price should go down. That's why we open a short position, There's 15 seconds left before the climax. The breakdown has already happened. We see the good level, and I guess the position should end up in profits. Like I said, the position closed with a profit. Again, we open according to the trend after the correction, and again we can see the result by yourself. The result is plain to see. We start with almost $1,500, but now we got $3,000 on our balance, and there's no stopping here. Find the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. Looking for the good payout trade and look for the pullback, guys. So the price break throughout here, open long position. A little bit different principle of trade entry. We see that the crossing of the indicators moving average did happen, and it tells us that there's gonna be strong uptrend. Early on we saw the correction, then the update of local bottom points in this zone. I will point them out for you. And after this, the price should also go up. That's why we open the long position according to the trend direction. The principle of trade entry is a little bit different, like I said, but the result you see be yourself. There is nothing to worry about so far, and I guess we will to the breakdown on the last second, and the position would be closed with the profit. Like I said, the position is in profits again. As you see, there is a pattern for the open such trades quite successful. It was a little tensely. The position has been closed almost at the level of opening, but further you see the breakdown. I didn't come up with anything. The breakdown did happen anyway, and the position is in profit, so we're not gonna slow down here. We open a couple of trades in order to sold the result if you didn't get anything, and for this we're changing the currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. So we are looking for the good payout rate. Here it's flat so far. What do we have of the currency pair? Let's open the short position here. Select on the workspace. Early on we observe the strong scanning dynamics, then the trend reversal takes place, the price goes down. Let's take a look at this zone in more detail. Here's the sideways movement. Definitely a flat prevails, but we see small descending dynamics, low candles, volatility. We see the small pullback after the price should go down. We also see the reversal of the moving average to the downside. That's why we opened the short position, and we already see the breakdown, a good level of opening. And as we see low volatility here, I guess even if the green candle shows up, like now, I couldn't reach the level of our trade, and our trades end up with a profit again. Let's continue trading session and open our final trade and withdraw the money, I suppose. Okay guys, let's find another currency pair. So let's carry on our analysis. I like this currency pair, and I guess I should open the short position here. I will explain why, despite our moving averages are reversing to the upside, but I guess here the resistance zone should play out. The update of the local maximum did happen, and hence the price movement should go to the downside and leads to this upper zone. Now the flat situation prevails in this upper zone, doing great. The local minimum doesn't update and the price should go down. We played in advance here, and there's 15 seconds left before the closing. And on the last seconds, I guess we're likely to see the breakdown, and the position will end up in profits. So guys, our final trade in profits, we got $4,200 on our balance. Great result, considering the fact that we started with $1,500. And let's finally move to the withdrawal. We're gonna withdraw to my BTC wallet. Let's draw 3,197 to keep the exact amount on the balance. Press the continue button. That's it, our transition processing, and I guess I will attach the screen with a successful withdrawal. And guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video and my trading session was a big help for you, and please don't forget to subscribe on my Telegram channel. Link you can find on my comment. And thank you. Subscribe on my channel, like this video, and bye bye.